Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button.
Each other's hearts, it's a cold-blooded love, it's a cold-blooded love. Let's break each other's hearts, it's a cold-blooded love.
For the ones of you who have been subscribed, I want to apologize. I know it's been over a month since I posted anything. I'm not really proud of that, but it kind of is what it is. We've been busy. Summertime months, I'm always going to the lake, something non-car related. So I mean, I could have posted a lot of that stuff, but it's not really what you guys are here for. So, anyways, it's me and T-Butter. AKA Panama Jack. So, today's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. What are we doing today?
I have no idea. I gotta work. So.
Trevor's got to work on the 4th of July. It kind of sucks, but that's okay. So, this is going to be more of a talking video. Nothing really too crazy. Mainly, this is to talk about the changes that's happened to the car and also what we're doing this weekend at Streetcar Takeover in Charlotte. So, I'm going to start with a car. So, the car's been doing fine for the most part. One issue I did have with my car, the vet here, is an exhaust hanger broke off of back on the passenger side, and when it broke, it caused stress on the header, and the coupler for the header cracked, so I had an awful exhaust leak. So we took it to David's house, put it up. We pulled the header off, had to take the starter off, pulled the header, well, we pulled the header down, got it off, and he took it back to his work and welded it up. We put it back on there. It still has a small exhaust leak. They're eBay headers. They are eBay headers. They are eBay headers. They are eBay headers. Those of you that are have been on the channel for a while, you probably already know that I have eBay headers on this. Already know that I have eBay headers on this. Already know that I have eBay headers on this. So if you're new to the channel, this is my C6 Corvette. I have basically just a cam and eBay headers, and no cats, no mufflers, just straight pipe exhaust with an X pipe. So these eBay headers have never been perfect. They've always had a small exhaust leak, but when it cracked, when my exhaust hanger broke, it cracked my coupler, and the exhaust leak was going on in multiple different places. So you can see, maybe it's probably kind of hard to see. These headers aren't exactly the nicest. They're not in great shape, but they are functional. They do work. They still have a small exhaust leak after me and David fixed it. But that's just gonna have to be like that till I can get some new headers. Trevor, you excited for Streetcar Takeover?
I'm very excited. I got off work. We're gonna go down. Tell them about the invite that we got.
All right, so here's the cool part. Going to Streetcar Takeover Charlotte, as you know, Cletus will be there. Kyle Loftus should be there. All the big wigs. If you know anything about cars, you probably know who Cletus is, or Garrett, whatever you may call him, or Kyle Loftus, which is the owner of 1320 Video. So a friend of Kyle's invited me to go racing with them after the Twin Peaks meet. So if you guys have ever seen the Streetcar Takeover meets, most of the time they have Mexico meetups afterwards. So we got invited to that, so I'm definitely super excited. You guys definitely stay tuned for that. Should be fun. My car only makes 510 wheel horsepower, so compared to a lot of the cars I'm going to be racing, I'll probably get smashed, but that's all right. I don't really care. It's all for fun anyway. But anyways, you guys stay tuned.
All right, guys.